Dalimar Suhel Padernal as carpenter.
My name is Leonard Soel M. Paternal. I build and repair things made from wood. I have artisan tools. I use a hammer, a saw, and a tape measure. I can make tables, chairs, doors, and windows. I am a carpenter. Thank you.